Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So just following on from the series where we've been looking at coins that are low mint and that have a value higher than their face value. So all these coins we've been showing recently are all low mint coins, and today we're looking at the 1985 50-cent coin. So another low mintage one. If you haven't seen the other coins in the series, take a look. This is certainly another one to keep an eye out for. And so I've just been checking recent sales on eBay to sort of see how these guys are selling. These guys, depending on condition, once again, anywhere from sort of this sort of grade through to specimen or uncirculated, have been selling for $6 to around $12 each. So a very good find if you can get a few of them. But let's just check the mintage. I've got the book here. Actually, I'll show you the book in a moment. But I've had a few questions on what book I'm using. But if we have a look here, we can see there that the 1985 coat of arms is 1 million only. So you can see the numbers around it are certainly a lot higher. But the 1985, yep, it's a low mintage, only 1 million. This is it's sort of a coin that's a bit of a sleeper in some ways, being only a million. I think in years to come, this will be certainly a highly sought after coin as they become more and more scarce. But if we just take this back a bit, I'll show you what book I'm using now. This is not the most current one, but I don't think it really matters because they do update it every year or two, I think. But this particular book is possibly from a couple of years ago, and you can always check online for different mintages of coins. But I buy this every couple of years, and I'll update it, and it's good to get the new photos of the different coins. But it's got everything in here. All the I think it's got most of the Perth Mint stuff, all the old stuff, pennies, you name it. It's all covered in this book. So well worth getting. You can get it from a few bookshops. You might have to look it up online. You can certainly buy it online, and I'm sure you'll be able to buy these books from some reputable coin dealers. So yeah, well worth looking out for, and grab yourself a copy. But yeah, that's all we have for today. So the 1985 50-cent coin, mintage of only 1 million. So get out there and make sure you find this one when looking through 50-cent coins. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing you another one soon. Thanks for watching.